making money online is a scam, guys. Stick with me till the very end. I'm going to exactly disclose everything what people are doing right now to scam you guys, and you're paying them like a lot of money. They are making money eventually by the end of the day, but you are just getting scammed, and you're not even knowing it, right? Unknowingly, you're just getting scammed and you're just all happy doing nothing with your life, right? If you're someone new to the channel, first of all, just subscribe to the channel, and specifically for this video, drop a feedback. What do you think about my perception about this particular topic, right? So before wasting any more time, guys, let's get straight to the video. If you're someone who isn't currently going to university, college, you're in your teenage years, you're 16, 17, 18, whatever your age is, right? At this point of time, you're someone who is getting into digital marketing. As soon as you get into digital marketing industry, like, you will start getting recommended a lot of content online, right? It's all algorithm, right? You open Instagram, you see people posting about their lifestyle, how they're making money. You go on YouTube, how to make $1,000 doing this and that, right? And then people are selling you their courses, and that's where the real money is, right? I'm not calling out anyone or defaming anyone who are selling their courses. Obviously, they're providing value by the end of the day. What's the real intention behind selling a course? Is making money, to be honest, right? So let's start this video off by giving a few examples. When you scroll down to these Instagram reels, YouTube shorts, YouTube videos, whatever it is, you see what? You see their lifestyle, what kind of lifestyle they're living. And this lifestyle actually does what? It actually gives you these high dopamine hits, adrenaline rush, like you feel like, if he can do it, why can't I? It's like a competition between them and you, and you start watching those kind of videos, similar videos, a lot on daily basis, right? And instead of taking action to build out your business, you're just consuming this content and not taking any kind of action, right? And after consuming their content, like after for a month, 2 3, then you get nurtured enough to just buy whatever they're selling to you, right? You go to their YouTube channel, they have given down the links in the description, and you just purchase the course, right? Obviously, you might think like, Bhavesh, you also have like your coaching program. I'm going to definitely put my POV on that also, but stick with me, right? So you are just attracted to the lifestyle they're living currently, right? Like, they have cars, they have watches, they can just do whatever they want, right? They have the freedom you are actually craving right now in your life, right? So if they have that freedom, and you're just mindlessly scrolling down through these reels, especially lifestyle reels, and you're just watching these kind of videos, reels, consuming content, and eventually by the end of the day, you're not taking any kind of action, right? As soon as you purchase that course, coaching program, you consume the content, and you think like, this wasn't that much valuable, there wasn't proper training, right? It was just like all the basic things they have covered down, right? And they don't even have a refund policy, and that's where you feel buyer's remorse, you feel resentment, like, why even I had purchased this course in the past, right? Like, if someone is doing dropshipping has been hyped up from the last 3 5 years maybe, and a lot of people are doing dropshipping legitimately, and there are people who are just scamming you just to sell their courses. How? They're creating fake screenshots, they are just giving you, like, like using that inspect element kind of thing, just updating the numbers, taking screenshot and posting the results. And you feel like, if the students are getting so much good results, why, like, I should also enroll into this. And that's how you get yourself scammed all by yourself. It's all your fault, right? And once you purchase that 997 course, right, whether it's $1,000 course, like $500 course, 600,000, whatever the price is, you end up remorsing that, like, why didn't even I purchase that? You regret that decision, because the value in that course wasn't that much worth the price you paid for it, and you don't get any results. I'm not saying like, there are like all the people who are selling courses, it's only to make money. What I'm saying is, there are also creators who are legitimately providing you top notch, I would say, like, value no one else can provide you, who are creating these courses and selling you those courses, right? So it's full of value packed videos, right? So there's like two people, one who's selling courses for just money, second who are actually providing the money and making your money worth of it, right? So there are two kind of people. Just take me as an example. What I do, I run a marketing agency. You all know it. I'm running it for the last 3 years. Till this very date, I'm still recording this video, and I'm still running my agency, right? You have the proof, because from the start I've been very much transparent and upfront with you guys, like I'm running my marketing agency. And obviously I'm not going to deny, like I do have a coaching program, and to be honest, next month I'll be launching a course of my own, like my first ever course after 3 years down the line, so that I can teach you guys who are actually looking to start the agency, scale it to like whatever the goal is. But after 3 years of doing the agency thing, after I got all the, I'm not saying like I belong to that higher echelon like of the marketing agencies owner. I still have a lot to learn, but whatever I've learned in the last 3 years, I can provide it to you inside a course. And like if you just go to my YouTube channel, I've provided you so much value, completely transparent. Just think what I can provide inside a course, like 100% transparency there, like my own scripts, my systems, how to get client, whatever it is, right? And I'm not saying whatever is my YouTube channel, it's not true, it cannot get you results. There are students who reached out to me, like not just 10 20, like a lot of students reached out to me who just appreciated me for my value. Bhavesh, I saw your YouTube video, I took the necessary action, whatever you mentioned in the video. Guess what, they got the first client, they got their first appointment. It's all about, guess what, by the end of the day, it's all about taking action. So always make sure whatever the course you're going for, make sure the creator is actually doing that business till the very date, and then you go for the course. Because there are creators who just create these courses with just basic information, and you think that information is top notch. Why? Because there are other creators who are giving you that kind of value, like which is unmatchable, unbeatable at a very low cost, right? And those creators are actually genuine, and those are legitimate course creators. Like the only intention is to like actually provide the value, get the results, and then they get the dopamine hit, like my students are actually making money. To be honest, there was this one student inside my coaching program. He closes first 2 clients with me, and he purchased a bike, right? I was so genuinely happy, like just because of me, my skills, my experience, someone is able to buy something he loves, right? And by the end of the day, guess what, his family was happy, he was happy. Then like there are other students who became a little more financially free, like they got money for themselves, their family, right? So it's like I genuinely feel happy for my students, right? So you have to have a distinction between those kind of creators and creators who are there just to sell you the courses just for the sake of money, right? Go for a course which has like a good outline, a solid course creator who has a good history, and he is there just to provide the value, not for the sake of money. And actually his students are getting results. Anyone can go on Fiverr, create fake results, fake testimonials, like hire a spokesperson. He can do the job very, very well. I know it, right? And that's the truth. And what's a scam is, it's like course creator selling you courses just for the sake of money. That's an actual scam. Whatever you see online, it's not true, right? People can go out there, hire a Lamborghini, they can hire a Bugatti, like rent out a Bugatti, Lamborghini, whatever it is. They can just like do humble boasting, humble bragging. They can say it's mine, BMW, Audi, whatever it is. And we boys, generally boys, tend to fall for these kind of lifestyle traps. As boys, as men, we want cars, we crave for it, and especially super cars, right? So it's like we fall for it very, very easily. These kind of things tempt us. A good lifestyle, big house, villa, mansion, cars, luxury lifestyle, lavish lifestyle, we fall for it actually, right? Because that's what we crave as men, that's what we crave by our life. That's a true purpose of our life, because we want that. And that's why we fall for these kind of courses online, right? So anyways guys, that's pretty much it. Only suggestion for you guys, whenever you do scrolling online, whatever you see, it's not true. Use your mind, use your brain before buying any course. Do your due diligence, then go for it. I hope I made it like my point clear, right? And If you feel like if I said something wrong, the comment section is always open for you. Drop a feedback, and guess what, it will be highly appreciated from you guys. Anyways guys, that's pretty much it. Keep taking action, and all the very best. Bye.